There are many tools in Microsoft Project to help you assign resources to tasks. One simple way to assign a resource to a task is go to the resource name column, click on the drop-down list and choose your resource, or you can multi-select many resources depending on what your needs are, and assign that resource to that task just by clicking on Enter. I can repeat that process for the next task. Maybe I want Robert to do this particular task and hit Enter, and maybe I want Robert to do this task and I can hit Enter, and so forth. And again, if I want to, I can choose multiple resources here, choose Robert and Judy, click Enter, and now I've got two resources working on that particular task. So that drop-down value list makes it simple. Now, of course, we have that value list available to us because we built the resource pool first in the resource sheet. Another simple way to assign resources to tasks is go to the Resource tab, and there's a nice tool in here called Assign Resources. And if I click on this, you will see that I can choose multiple resources using my control key. So maybe I know that Judy and Robert are working together, so I've selected both of those people. I'm going to move this up a little bit. And maybe they're working on developing the prototype, developing the final product, and the install. All three of those tasks together. I can multi-select these tasks by using my control key and click on Assign. And here you can see that I've assigned many resources to many tasks all at the same time. And what's nice about the Assign Resources dialog is I can keep that open without closing it and select some more tasks. And maybe I know that David's working on that task, so I'm now going to click on David. And maybe I know he's working on that with the programmer, for example, and click on Assign. And again, I was able to assign multiple resources to multiple tasks. So with this dialog, you can assign individual resources to multiple tasks, or I can do multiple resources to multiple tasks, or multiple resources to one task. So I can do one to many to one, many to many type of situation. I can also use this to replace resources. So if I know, for example, the programmer is now going to be Judy, I can click on all the tasks that the programmer is assigned to here, click on the programmer inside this dialog, click on Replace. So I'm going to replace that with Judy and click OK. So now I've replaced all the tasks where the programmer was assigned with Judy. So assigning resources to tasks in Project is really not that challenging. You can do it directly in the resource name column, or you can use the Assign Resources tool to get resource assignments done very efficiently and effectively.